What is push clicks? How to earn online money by push clicks. In this task, you will get paid to click on browser push notifications. You will get paid a certain percentage of yesterday's earnings for every click. This means, the more money you earn in the previous day, the more you will earn for each push click. You will get 12 paid push clicks per day, sent every 2 hours. If you run push clicks in multiple browsers or multiple devices, you will still only be paid for 1 click per 2 hours no matter how many times you click. If you are not logged into timebucks at the time of clicking on the notification, you will not be paid. This task works on all browsers and devices except for iPhones. Once you click on the notification, you must stay on the page for at least 30 seconds to be credited. Take push click link from this video description, or type this link in your main browser. After staying 30 seconds, click I am not robot. It will done and credit to your account. Thanks for watching. God bless you.